In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play games on Zoom. First, start or join a Zoom meeting just like you normally would. If you're the host, you're ready to go. If you're a participant, make sure the host has enabled screen sharing for attendees. That way you can share the game when it's your turn. Before you begin, close any extra tabs or apps you don't need. This helps your computer focus on the game and keeps everything running smoothly. Next, look for the Share Screen button on the Zoom toolbar. On desktop, it's centered at the bottom of the window. When you click it, Zoom will show you a set of options for what you can share. This is where a little setup goes a long way. If your game is in a web browser, have the game open and ready in its own tab or window so it's easy to select. If it's a standalone app, make sure it's launched and visible on your desktop. Now choose the game website or app from the list of available windows. Picking the specific window, rather than your entire desktop, keeps the focus on the game and avoids showing notifications or unrelated content. If your game includes sound, you can enable the Share Sound option so participants hear the music and effects through Zoom. If the visuals are fast-moving, consider turning on Optimize for Video Clip for smoother playback. Keep your game in windowed mode if you want faster switching between Zoom controls and the game, or go full screen for the most immersive look. Then click Share to begin. Give Zoom a second to connect and confirm participants can see the game clearly. Speak steadily as you play so everyone knows what's happening on screen. If you need to tweak anything, such as turning sound up or down, do it within the game or your system volume so it stays comfortable for listeners. Finally, let participants play and take turns. Set simple ground rules up front, like the order of players and how long a turn lasts. Use the chat to keep score or to queue up who's next. Narrate transitions clearly so no one is confused about whose turn it is. If someone's connection is lagging a bit, allow an extra moment before moving on. Keep the energy friendly and inclusive, and encourage quick recaps so everyone stays engaged. When the round is done, thank the group and smoothly pass the spotlight to the next player or the next game. That's all you need to run fun, smooth game sessions on Zoom. Keep it simple, communicate clearly, and enjoy playing together.